Okay, so first they recommend that you do a dry fit. So that's what this is. So we're just dry fitting it. Looks pretty good. And then our next step is that we have to clean all around there with Prep-Sol because there can't be any grease or anything like that. So we got to get that.
Rest looks pretty straight. Down here. Okay. Yeah, beacon.
Okay, so we cleaned it, the surface with Prep-Sol, and then we put the primer on there, and we're doing the primer just along the edges there where where it looks like it's going to bend a little bit. And then now we're going to bake it with the hair dryer because we're in Buffalo, it's a little cold. So it's supposed to be heated up because it gets more malleable and easier to put on. So
Is that Rick?
okay, so that's that piece done. And that one looks really good. It was a pretty straight piece, didn't have a lot of curves. Looks really good though, done. Very nice. Okay.